Thousands of runners took to the streets of Trieste for the 2025 Spring Run, with over 2,500 participants from across Italy and around the world.
Where are you guys from and how did it go?
I'm from Ecuador, but we are living, the three of us, in Munich, and I think that it went pretty well, I would say. I really love it. The last kilometers were really rough, I would say, but I enjoy it at the end of the day.
Yeah, I'm from Ireland, also living in Munich. We're here together as part of a club. First time in Trieste, first time running a half marathon, and absolutely loved it.
Great, it was my personal best, so it's great.
From Serbia, Pompei.
It was good. It was my first half marathon, and I'm impressed with myself because I made it.
I'm waiting for Margherita. She's my sister.
All right, what is she running?
She's running 21K.
Very good, very happy. Second time doing it. Did it 2 years ago, missed it last year, and this is my second time that I did the 21 kilometre, and it was fantastic, great fun. But I'm ready to sleep now and have a few beers maybe.
From Uganda, and I ran 7 kilometers of the spring run, and it was very nice.
All right, you're number one in 21K. How does it feel?
Yeah, I'm super happy to run and win here in my city. It's been not my fastest time actually, but I'm really happy to run at home. It feels great, and I'm happy to honor this race and to run today at the half marathon in Trieste.